Welcome to the Explainer. Ever wonder what makes a 12-second video just blow up? Today, we're going to put this brilliant little concept under the microscope and see exactly what makes it tick. All right, let's just jump right in. It all starts with this one line, this kind of simple, pleading voice. For anyone who doesn't speak Hindi, it's basically saying, "Please, brother, just let me rest today." And that one phrase, that's the key. It's the whole emotional heart of this thing we're going to break down. So here's how we're going to tackle this. We'll start with the basic pitch, then get into the anatomy of the joke itself. After that, we'll uncover the Desi's secret sauce, decode the whole viral formula, and wrap it all up with why this thing just wins. Okay, section 1, the 12-second pitch. Let's get right to the core idea here, the specimen we're about to dissect. So here it is. The whole idea is a POV comedy reel where you are a tired Chinese LED bulb in an Indian house just begging for a break. I mean, how funny is that? It's so specific and you're instantly in it. You're not just watching the joke, you become the joke. You are the bulb. All right, next up, the anatomy of the joke. You might not think it, but even a super short joke like this follows a classic formula. It's actually a masterclass in comic efficiency. So let's break that down. So check this out. It's a classic 1-2 punch. First, you get the setup. It's genius, right? You're seeing things from the bulb's perspective, you hear it begging for rest, you feel its pain. You're kind of hoping it gets a break. And then, bam, the punchline. A hand comes in and just starts flicking that switch like a maniac. It totally shatters your expectation, and that's where the comedy is, in that frustrating, hilarious reality. Okay, moving on to the Desi secret sauce. Look, a good joke structure, that's just part of it. What takes this thing from just funny to, unforgettable is its secret ingredient. We're talking about a super deep, super specific cultural context. This is where the real magic is. Now, to really get why this joke lands so hard, you have to understand Desi humor. And it's not just about the language, It's more like a shared universe of experiences, inside jokes, and all these little cultural things that make the content feel like it was made just for you, if you're in on it. And here are those specific ingredients that make it so viral. It's not just any light bulb, right? It's that ubiquitous, probably cheap Chinese LED bulb that basically everyone has. And that's not just any switchboard. That's the one you recognize instantly from an Indian home. Then you add in those relatable family dynamics, the use of Hindi, that please bhai, and you top it all off with this kind of sarcastic, relatable tone. Man, it creates this immediate, super powerful connection with a massive audience. All right, section 4, decoding the viral formula. So here's the thing. You can have the best joke in the world with all this amazing cultural detail, but if you don't package it right for the algorithm, it's just gonna die. You gotta play the game. And it all comes down to this number, 12. 12 seconds. That's it. That's your entire window. It dictates everything, the pacing, the editing, the delivery. The whole creative process is built around this one tiny number. Think about it. Can you tell a full story with a beginning, middle, and end in just 12 seconds? Well, this reel pulls it off. So here's the recipe for going viral, step by step. First, you shoot in that vertical 9:16 POV style. Why? Because it puts you right there. It's instant immersion. Step 2, you use fast, rhythmic cuts to keep the energy up and match our, let's be honest, shrinking attention spans. 3, you add those big, bold captions. Super important, because it means the joke works even if people are watching with the sound off. And finally, number 4, you use a trending meme audio. That is literally the cheat code to hook your video into what's already popular online. Okay, let's put all these pieces back together. In this last section, we're going to see why this reel really wins. We've taken it apart, now let's see how it all works as one perfect little machine. And if you look at how it breaks down, it's pretty clear that success isn't just one thing. It's this awesome balanced mix. So you've got the universal joke structure making up about 30%, then you've got the smart technical packaging for another 30%, but look at that biggest slice, 40%. The real game changer here, the X factor, is that super specific cultural context. And really, that's the main takeaway here. Virality isn't an accident. It's this masterful blend of the universal, the specific, and the technical. The most successful stuff out there works on all 3 of these levels at the same time. It hooks you with something anyone can laugh at. Then it makes a specific group feel totally seen, and it's all wrapped up in a package that the platform just loves. So we'll leave you with this question to chew on. The next viral hit probably isn't some huge, complicated idea. It's probably sitting right there in front of you. It could be your toaster that's always burning one side of the bread, or your laptop charger that's just barely hanging on for dear life. So take a look around you. What everyday object story is just waiting to be told in 12 seconds?